Baby.
Look around you. Look around you.
Look around you.
Look around you. What are you looking for?
Newton's laws. Newton's laws.
Newton's laws, named after the famous physicist and whatever else he did, Isaac Newton. There were 3 of them. Force equals mass times acceleration is my favorite. What's yours?
Every reaction has an equal and opposite reaction.
I'm not partial to.
Newton's first law of motion. An object in motion tends to stay in motion, while an object at rest tends to stay at rest, unless acted upon by an outside force. For example, an object at rest tends to stay at rest for months and months on end.
The 12 ball was at rest until acted upon by an outside force.
An object in motion tends to stay in motion, unless acted upon by an outside force. Newton's second law of motion. Force equals mass times acceleration.
In the left corner, Edward Thomas Dolan IV, weighing in at 80.43 kilograms. In the right corner, Theo Xavier Tupac Pack, weighing in at 56.52 kilograms. Tom, the greater mass, with the equal accelerations, will exert a greater force. As you see, Tom has won. Force is equal to mass times acceleration. Just under 350.
We need a bigger scale.
Pull, Tom. Get up.
The force I exert on the pull-up bar is equal to my mass times the acceleration of gravity.
99. One more. 100. Atta girl.
Force equals mass times acceleration. Now run. He now has the force of a raging rhinoceros.
That boy's got a lot of mass.
The force of this orange spherical object that you play a cool Indian game with is probably around 20 grams. Ounces. Yeah, 20 ounces. Twice as much as a baseball. Plus 2. The force of it is this mass times the acceleration that it has due to this stick. So, acceleration due to this stick is probably 2 meters a second squared. Just throwing that number out there. Oh. And it's in the softball. Right to Barb. Thank you, Barb.
Barb caught it.
Barb. Thank you. Sorry. With the scoop. And that's force is equal to mass times acceleration. Newton's second law.
Every reaction is an equal and opposite reaction. What do you say to that?
For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Now, the action that the ball imposes on this wall is met by an equal and opposite reaction from the wall to the ball. So, dropped it. The amount of force that the ball puts on the wall is the same amount of force that the wall puts on the ball. Newton's third law.
For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
Both of these balls are exerting the same force on each other, both in equal magnitudes and opposite directions.
Mr. Russell, what do you know about force equals mass times acceleration?
I know nothing about it.
Do you plead the fifth?
Yes.
Ms. Labrizzi, what do you know about force and mass and acceleration? She has jelly beans.
Educational science videos, and they actually aired on the BBC. So we're gonna go make fun of that right now.
That's.
It's the prom queen.
I found Bigfoot! I said I found Bigfoot. Referring to you.
So we're gonna go make fun of that right now. John, come on.
I don't remember it.
Step into
I'll
the light.
narrate. All right, you can stop recording now, by the way. Here's what's gonna happen. John will be like, I thought it was the ball for a second. It was a bird. All right, John will be like that. Because in the beginning it says, look around you. Look around you. Look around you. Just look around you. Okay.
No, I'll do it. You do it.
I haven't
Is
done
my
this
face
yet.
still all red?
Yeah, my
Now
face is